Hey everyone, welcome back. And if you're new to the channel, welcome, glad to have you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. Today we are painting. We're doing a flip cup on a 12 by 16 inch canvas. As you can see with the paints here, we're doing some blues and browns. No black, but there is white. Let's start layering our lovely colors. I'll go over the colors once I flip the cups over. Making a mess here. Haven't painted in almost a week. I had that big painting that I did and was just kind of letting that dry before I did anything else. And yeah, I was working on some crafting stuff too. Paint-wise, this is all Amsterdam paint. I've got about 75 grams of my paint and pouring medium. It's, as I said, Amsterdam paint. Repeating myself now. And it is mixed. Ooh, I spilled a little. Nope. Almost went the wrong way. It is mixed just under 1 part paint to 1.5 parts pouring medium. So just under 1.5 parts pouring medium. I don't have an exact calculation. Like I was going to 70 grams or about 72 grams and added like 2 extra grams of paint to do the 1 to 1.5. My furnace just kicked on, so if there's some background noise, sorry. I hope wherever you are, you're staying safe, especially if you are in Eastern Europe. That's pretty scary with what's been going on, especially for the people of Ukraine. I always end up with my second layer thicker. Oh well. Gotta get all my paint out. Last thing you want is to not quite have enough paint. Probably should have had 2 piddle pads on the table. Didn't even think of that. I debated on doing this one on a 16 by 20 and decided, well, we're not sure how the colors are going to look, so we'll do it on the smaller one. Then if I like it, one, I'll have to go and buy more paint. There just isn't enough paint in the Amsterdam and Liquid-X bottles to do more than 2 or 3 paintings. And I've used some of these gorgeous colors more than once already. I do have a puppy piddle pad off to my side, so I'm not spilling over there. Just on the table that my husband got me. But once it dries, it should just pop right off, so I'll probably just leave it or wipe it up after. Who needs more? This one needs more. Wow, don't paint for a week and I feel so out of practice. Does that happen to you? Doesn't happen when I'm crafting. I don't feel out of practice if it's been a few days or a week. The painting is, I guess, a bit different. Okay, we're almost halfway done our second layer. I did let my paint sit. It's been about 24 hours. There was still bubbles. I can't seem to not have bubbles. Just looking on the side to see who needs the most. This one does. So this one looks like a tan color next to the brown, but it's not actually tan. I can't remember the name of it. I got all my tubes next to me here, so I'll be able to show you. That last little blob. Getting paint all over myself. Start at the top. End one is feeling lonely. Some more in there. Oh, if you do watch any of my crafting videos, I had made some fun shirts for my brother. He loved them. Which I pretty much was sure he would. But that's always nice when you make something for someone and they really like it, they appreciate it. Right? Especially if it's, you know, something that takes you a bit of time to do. Whether it's a painting or craft stuff. You know, we all know that it's not a 2-minute project. It takes a while, and sometimes you mess up. You gotta redo it. You know, I wish I could talk to you guys and girls. Find out, like, what are you guys working on? And girls, I keep telling myself I'm not going to be doing the you guys, and it just pops out. Guys and gals, I gotta remember that. This one is obviously white. A little bit more weight in there that can sneak on out. Yeah, I'd love to know, do you guys remember the names of all your paints, or do you got to keep checking the bottles? Because I can't seem to remember them. This one I know, it's Prussian blue. Because I adore this color. And obviously I know white and black. Seeing which one's the lowest, it's between these two. Yeah, I have made a huge mess here. And I know others do it. I saw a post on a Facebook group. I felt so sorry for the lady. She had done up a painting, really loved it. Knew she had a bit too much paint on it. But thought, oh, it'll be fine, and the paint poured off, and then off the table or whatever she was pouring on onto her carpet. Oh no! I know what it's like. Well, that didn't work out as planned. Hopefully I can clean this after. Sorry, it was bothering me. Okay, let's flip these cups. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you want to know colors. Prussian blue, burnt umber, burnt sienna, sky blue light, brilliant blue, turquoise blue, and the last one is Naples yellow red light. But it does look like a tan. But let's give it a go. Oh, lots of paint. I'm just getting it everywhere. Oh my. Oh yeah. I'm gonna move that cup off to the side. I don't need to do that. I'm tripping over my own tongue. I didn't go slow enough. There we go. That one's a bit better. It's looking kind of rivery. Again, I didn't have a specific look that I was going for. I just was looking at my colors and going, well, what do I want to do? Oops. Okay, last one. Yeah, more of the brown came out on this one. Okay. Well, I think I gotta flip it around again. Well, we'll go that way. Gotta kiss the centers. Already going over my one edge. Losing a lot of paint. There. Let's go over that edge a bit. Putting our paint back down. Got my fingers in the edges. See? Don't paint for a while and look what happens. Okay. So I'm fully over the edge, not over the edge on that side. So let's fix this. There we go. Okay, before I go any further, I want to fix that edge. There. Pretty, pretty. Okay. Ooh, it's torching time. See, I got lots of air bubbles. It's a new can. Trying to get close enough to pop bubbles. Get some cells up. Here they come. that a second there. We're gonna get a little caterpillar there, I think. I don't really like that, so let's try and fix that. We'll just blend them in a little bit together. That's a bit better. Okay. Ooh, getting some very nice subtle cells. Very nice. Oh, I'm gonna lose all those. They're little, but they're pretty. I think I actually need a bit more right there and there. So we will birch some more. Okay, I got a few more to pop up. Okay, let's finish this. Convince the paint to do what I want it to do. Got a silly air bubble that I can see, actually a couple of them. Let's get over the other side. There. Oh, it's very pretty, very soft. As I said, I didn't know what I was going to get out of this, color-wise. Just trying to shift the paint back. Wipe my hands off before I get any more paint on my table. Okay, here we are a bit closer. I'm just going to kind of zoom in so you can see what we got for cells here. Aren't they beautiful? I'm gonna have to come up with a good name for this one. I'm very happy. But thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Until next time.